Hi, folks. How you all going? Today, we want to talk about Alaska meeting of Trump and Putin. Trump is going to pressurize Putin to come to a compromise, which Putin will on his own terms. Putin is not going to leave Crimea, that is for sure. It is a strategic requirement of existence of Russia. Putin will also not agree with any kind of assurances because the assurances that have to be given in the discussion is by Ukraine, Zelensky, and EU. It is Zelensky who walked out of an agreement to be signed next day, and with EU influence in that, which you all must know and you all would know, so I'm not going in details again. Putin has got a point about annexation and looking after its own people. The area which is under occupation now, other than Ukraine, other than Crimea, is Donbass or the eastern Ukraine, which is heavily populated by Russian-speaking and Russian-origin people. Same thing is happening in much severe, more than 100% more impact genocide in Gaza and West Bank. Putin can say, if you are looking for moral and international standards, follow them properly. If Trump can persuade and stop expansion of Israel to any places, follow the principles of existence of Israel and the boundaries enacted in 1948. If America cannot stop that, then they cannot say anything about Ukraine annexation, a legitimate annexation of saving its own people. Israel is not doing that. It's not saving its own people. It is expanding their empire. So it is important for both the parties to understand the things and solve the problem through international law and UN resolutions. With the security issues of Russia, all European countries and America has no right to threaten a country with planting ballistic atomic missiles on the doorsteps and background of Russia. So, both parties should listen and talk. The only person Zelensky has been asking that they need an assurance if an agreement is arrived that Russia will never invade. Well, assurance is good. And this assurance will only come if Ukraine is not given EU membership and no NATO membership. The main point, which Western Union or Western press, or nobody's talking as a matter of fact of this issue. Where Israel is concerned, they must get out of West Bank and Gaza immediately. A ceasefire there will help Russia to come to an understanding that yes, international law is being followed in all respect. Well, it's a thought. Think about it. Thanks.